Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. Today's video is all about the best Coursera courses for data science. If you are just starting out or even if you already know a bit of Python or R programming, Coursera has some amazing learning paths that can take you from beginner to job ready. Let's break them down so you can choose the one that fits you best. The first course I want to highlight is the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This is probably one of the most popular choices on Coursera with more than 80,000 reviews. And the good thing is, no prior experience is required. So even if you have never coded before, you can start with this. It's a 12 course series where you will learn Python, SQL, data visualization, and even machine learning. You will also work on real projects like building dashboards, predicting housing prices, and analyzing flight data. What I personally like about this program is that it's very hands on. You don't just watch videos, you actually practice inside IBM's cloud labs. Plus, by the end, you will have a portfolio of projects to show employers. If you are a complete beginner and want to break into data science quickly, this is a great option. Next, let's talk about the Data Science Specialization by Johns Hopkins University. This one is slightly different. It's a 10 course series, but the focus is more on R programming instead of Python. So, if you are interested in statistics heavy data analysis or you want to work in academic or research oriented data science, this specialization is a strong choice. You will learn R, data cleaning, exploratory analysis, regression models, and even reproducible research. The final capstone project lets you build a data product from scratch, which is super valuable if you want to showcase your end to end skills. I would recommend this specialization if you are comfortable with math and statistics and want a solid academic style foundation in data science. The third one is the Applied Data Science with Python Specialization by the University of Michigan. This is a 5 course series and it's best if you already have some basic Python knowledge. It dives into applied topics like data visualization, text mining, machine learning, and even social network analysis. For example, you will learn how to analyze tweets, create advanced plots, and build predictive models with scikit-learn. This program is great if you already know the basics and want to apply data science techniques to real world problems. Now let's move to something many people struggle with, math. The Mathematics for Machine Learning and Data Science Specialization by DeepLearning.AI is a 3 course beginner friendly series that focuses on the math toolkit behind machine learning, calculus, linear algebra, statistics, and probability. It's taught by Luis Serrano and uses visual explanations to help understand concepts like eigenvalues, gradient descent, probability distributions, and hypothesis testing. You will also practice these concepts using Python labs. This course is perfect if you have ever felt held back by math in machine learning. It gives you the confidence to really understand why algorithms work, not just how to code them. Finally, for learners who want to go even deeper into statistics, there is the Advanced Statistics for Data Science Specialization by Johns Hopkins. This is a 4 course series designed for advanced learners. It covers probability, distributions, bootstrapping, confidence intervals, regression models, and more. It's math heavy and uses R programming for applications. You will dive into linear algebra for regression, statistical inference, and advanced linear models. This specialization is ideal for people aiming to become biostatistician or advanced data scientist who need a strong statistical foundation. So here is a quick recap. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate is best for beginners with no prior experience. Johns Hopkins Data Science Specialization is great for a statistics-heavy, R-based academic path. Michigan Applied Data Science with Python is best for those with basic Python skills who want applied project-based learning. DeepLearning.AI Math for Machine Learning and Data Science is perfect if you need to improve your math foundation for machine learning. And Johns Hopkins Advanced Statistics is for advanced learners who want to go deep into probability, statistics, and regression models. Data science has so many paths, but you don't need to learn everything at once. Just pick the track that fits your current background and build step by step. I will leave the links to all the 5 courses in the description so you can check them out. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.